Here's the waterfall at Keystone Lake in Westmoreland County. Beautiful waterfall area. The guy on the left there, but he said he didn't mind, so I got him in the video. The road is right on top, the flat upper area. You can park on the sides of the road up there. Major fishing area, a lot of people up there. Kayaking, fishing. It's a beautiful waterfall area. Easy access to get down here if you got stable legs. You can just climb down the side, the edge there. You can walk this behind that cement wall right there. And just walk a couple rocks. I'm standing on these curb stops, parking stops. Nice and peaceful here, Westmoreland County, Keystone Lake. May 25th, 2025. Nice, peaceful day today.